ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। Depending on the varying degrees of intensity in Nirodha Samadhi, there are 7 bhumikas. First 3 bhumis are nowhere near Nirodha Samadhi. Fourth onwards, that is the Samadhi starts and it has got varying degree of intensity. The first 4 up to Sattvapati we have seen, these are Jnana bhumis or Yoga bhumis. They are called as Jnana bhumis or the Yoga bhumis. The fifth one is Asangsakti Nama. The fourth one, Sattvapatti, one who has got this, one who has accomplished this stage, Bhumi, is Brahmavit. Now the next one, fifth one, Asangsakti, one has accomplished this is Brahmavit Varaha. What is this Asangsakti stage? The one which is Yatu, tu, the one which is tu to distinguish from the earlier Sattvapatti, the fourth Bhumika. So this one is Dasha Chatushtaya Bhasa Asangsarga Phala Rudha Sattva Chamatkara Rudha Sattva Chamatkara Asangsakti Namika Prokta. The one which is like this. Dasha Chatushtaya Abhyasa, on account of the Abhyasa of earlier 4 types of Bhumikas. The Bhumika, Dasha means Bhumikas. So therefore, Dasha Chatushtaya Abhyasa is on account of practice, Abhyasa of earlier Bhumikas are called here as Dashas on account of that. The one which is like this. Asangsarga Phala. So, which is first Asangsarga, which has got Asangsarga and Phala. What is Asangsarga? Asamsparsha, no contact. No contact with what? Sense object. It is like this. Chit Asangsarga is Chittasya Bahyabhyantara-akarahi. Chittasya Bahya-akarahi Abhyantara-akarahi. Together, Bahyabhyantara-akarahi. Not only that, Samskarischa, with the samskara of that, cha asamsparsha. It has got asamsparsha, no contact whatsoever with the who have chitta. Chitta has no contact whatsoever with bahya akaraya means bahya vishayahi, antara akaraya means antara vishayi, inner object, and not only that, tat samskaraihi cha. No contact means no memory of their impression also. It is sarga, contact. And it is phala. Phala means samadhi, pala, phala. That is prakshari, samadhi, so that one is called asamstika. Rudha also it is Rudha Chamatkara and that Rudha Sarva Chakara. As a result of what's seen as Phala, Asamsarga Phala. As a result of this, what we have seen as Asamsarga Phala, in that what happens? So there is a Chamatkara. Acha, here also Chamatkara is there. So Chamatkara means a surprise, a show, a spectacle. What type of thing is that? Sakshatar Lakshanaha Chamatkara. That Sakshatkara is called as Chamatkara. And it is Rudha. So Rudha means Upachitaha, fully developed, fully mature, intense. Upachitaha means fully developed. Rudha, Sattva Chamatkara. What is Sattva? Earlier you have seen. The Sarvadhisthana Atma Brahma. In the sense, it is like this. As a result of asamsarga phala, chitte, in the antakarana, there is this sakshatkara lakshanaha chamatkara. There is sakshatkara lakshanaha chamatkara. What type of sakshatkara? Niratishayananda, nityaparoksha, niratishaya ananda, nityaparoksha, brahmatma bhava sakshatkara lakshana. Niratishayananda, nityaparoksha, brahmatma bhava sakshatkara lakshanaha chamatkara. Means the sakshatkara where brahmatma bhava, brahmatma ikya is manifest. And what that brahma is? Niratishaya ananda, ansarpad ananda means paramananda, nitya aparoksha swarupa, and that is identical with atma. That sakshatkara, that itself is called chamatkara. It is called as asamsakti namika. Asamsakti namitka. Why is it called asamsakti? It has no samsakti. No samsakti means contact, close contact or proximity. With what it doesn't have contact, close contact or proximity? Na vidyate avidya tatkarya samsakti. The one which has no proximity or no contact with avidya and its karya. So means, what does it mean? From his purview, no abhasa of the jagat and ajnana. Direct sakshatkara is there. Therefore it is called as asamsakti namika. The one who has seen, one who has got this is Brahmavid Varaha. This person, you see, wakes up from his samadhi on his own. Nobody need wake up. Sanskaras himself means that wakes him up. He comes out of samadhi on its own. Next one is Padartha Bhavini. Padartha Bhavini. One who has accomplished the sixth stage is Brahmavid Variyan. Brahmavid Variyan. What is this? Let us see. Bhumika Panchakabhyasa, on account of practice of earlier five stages, having accomplished all the five. Swatma Ramataya, because of always abiding in Atma Swarupa, because of reposing in Atma Swarupa. Bhrisham, Bhrisham means Bridam. It means, actually Bhrisham means very much, excessively, totally, or excessive Bhrisham. Abharam, Payam, Taram, Abharana, cognition of these padartha which are abhyantara are mental. Bahya padartha are external objects. So he has no cognition whatsoever of this. Means more than the asamsakti. That's why he comes out on his own. But this person, even if others try, no, he comes out and the others try. So that is what is called as the padarthabhini. So that which never cognizes bhavana means cognition of padartha, internal, mental or external, is not there at all. That is padartha bhavini. The last one, the same thing is continued further. About him only, further description is given. Sixth only. Chiram para prayuktena prayatnena. So by efforts employed by others for a considerably long period. What happens? Prayatnena avabodhanam. He becomes aware of external things. Means not ragadi prayuktaha. Not an account raga, dvesha, samskaras are there. On that account he doesn't come out of samadhi. Whereas earlier one, fifth variety comes out because of samskaras in oneself. This is not so. So therefore, by efforts employed by others, nearby people, for a long period, he comes out of the samadhi, means he is aware of the external things. But that is one, padartha bhavini nama. It is called as padartha bhavini nama. Shashti bhumika bhavati. He is the sixth jnana, the jnana bhumi or yoga bhumi. The seventh one is Turyaga. Bhumi Shatka Chirabhyasa. Because of the practice of earlier 6 jnana bhumis, Bhedasya Anupalambhanat, there being no cognition of any duality or the world at all, means here, even by efforts of others, he doesn't come out of the samadhi, he is not aware of the external things. Bahya bhedasya anupalambha yat swabhavaika nishthatvam, which is mere abidance in one's own true nature, Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, sa turyaga, sa gatihi, sa turyaga gatihi jneya, or sa gatihi. Gatihi means avastha, that state. That state. See, why do you say state? Atma doesn't have state. Atma has state. Chitta has state. But he has got manonasha, sarupa manonasha. So therefore it is a sarupa manonasha. Yes, manonasha is there, but it is sarupa, little residual. If it was arupa, celebrate. Mahasamadhi. Mahasamadhi means you have to not to weep, you have to celebrate. Once it happened, Pujya Swami Chinmayanji, he was coming from Ahmednagar. Early morning, showerlet car, those very good showerlet car, very rare they were. See? Around 5:30, on the highway somewhere, one truck was parked, no hind lights. Somehow, that the driver didn't see. He was a very alert driver. And also, generally, Swamiji also always keeps aware. That time he had closed his eyes. Bang. Bang. And he said, if anybody sees that, no one is surviving. Only that steering wheel went and just this thing, but nothing much happened, etc. And he came, ashram he was to come, he came late. He came late. So, and afterwards, and they said, all were brahmacharis were all gathered. What to do? You have no luck to celebrate today. And half an hour he described the incident, making us laugh, holding the stomach. So, if a Mahatma attains Mahasamadhi, it is the occasion to celebrate and not to mourn as such. Okay. So therefore, say, this, still what is there? The residual chitta is there. Residual chitta is there. Therefore say, Bhedasya anupalambhanat yatsu swabhavaikanishthatvam, which is swabhavaikanishthatva, sa gatihi, sa avastha. Avastha for what? chitta, residual chitta is there, therefore he is the Jivan Muktaha. It is called as Turyaga Jneya. Now here Turyaga, don't connect this Turiya with Turiya Avastha. Acha, ये beyond Turiya है क्या? गा है ना गच्छति, beyond नहीं. Turyaga, see, Turiya means what? Fourth. That Turiya Avastha is with respect to Jagrata, Swapna and Sushupti, the fourth. Actually there is no fourth state because these are all mithya. Because we take these, therefore we call it the fourth. Here also it is fourth from where? Brahmavid Vara, Brahmavid Variyan and Brahmavid Varishta. Earlier three I don't count, are not counted. Because, see, and in that we will see only Brahmavid is a Jnani, not a Jivan Mukta. Brahmavid Varaha, Variyan, Varishta, these are the Jivan Mukta, is going to be clarified. So therefore, Turyaga means it will be explained. It is the fourth from the state of, after the three which don't come under the category of Atma Jnana, that's all. Continuing.
भूमित्रये वेदसत्यत्वबुद्धेः अनिवर्तितत्वात् अतः एव एतज्जागरणम् इति व्यपदिश्यते तत् उक्तम्.
There, that Turyaga, if you want the derivation, you can take this. Turyaga is this. Saha Brahmavid. Which Brahmavid? Saha. Saha means who? This Turyaga wala. Fourth one. Saha. Brahmavid Prabhritishu. Among those who are Brahmajnanis. So, Turiyastvam means the fourth number. The fourth, Turiyastvam Gacchati means Prapnoti. Iti Turyaga means he has got the fourth number among the Brahmajnanis. Brahmajnani, Brahmajnani Vara, Brahmajnani Variyan, Brahmajnani Varishta. So therefore he is the fourth, that's all. That is only numbering only. And now, Atra. Atra means among these 7 Jnana Bhumikas or 7 Yoga Bhumikas. Bhumika Trayam, first 3. First 3. What are those? Subhecha, Vicharana, Tadumanasa. These three are Brahma Vidyayaha Sadhanam Eva. They are only the means of Brahma Vidya and not the Natu Vidya Kotau Antarbhavati. Means they are not included, na Antarbhavati. They can't get included in the Koti. Koti means category of Brahma Vidya. They don't fall within the category of Brahma Vidya. They are only sadhana of Brahma Jnana, Brahma Vidya, Atma Jnana. They are called, therefore, Bhumitraye Bheda Satyatva Buddhehe Anivaritva. Why they are not in the category of Jnana? Because in these 3 stages, Bheda Satyatva Buddhehe Anivaritva, one cannot get rid of the notion of duality. Brahma is non-dual. But these can't get rid of the notion of duality because they are in the realm of duality, Dvaita. Bheda Buddhi. Bheda Buddhi. Again, not just Bheda Buddhi, Bheda Satyatva Buddhi. The dualistic world is taken as what? Satyam. Mithyatva they can't, because unless Brahma Satyatva is directly cognizant, Mithyatva can't be very clear. You may know it from the Shastra, it is only information but not direct discovery. So Bheda Satyatva Buddhi Anivaritva. Still it is not eliminated. Ataha eva, for that very reason, Eta Jagaranamiti Vyapadishyati. These 3 stages are called as what? Jagaranam. First 3 are called as in the state of Jagaranam. This Jagaranam is not waking. The Bheda Buddhi is there, and therefore Dvaita Jagat is taken as this, as Satyam. Therefore it is called Jagaranam. To this effect, a quotation from Yoga Vasishta is given, taduktam. To this effect it is said, bhumika trita.
Bhumika tritayam kvetad Rama jagrati sthitam yatavad veda buddhedam jagat jagrati drushyate.
So Rama, it is like this. Etad bhumika tritayam tu etad. Tu means contrast with the earlier what is said. Etad bhumika trayam. These first three out of the 7 stages, this Jagrat iti sitam. Sitam means is considered as Jagrat avastha. Jagrat avastha in the means, what is a Jagrat avastha? The person is still fully awake to the world. Fully awake means, why that fully takes as satyam? Takes as satyam, as true. Because, why? The reason is given, because idam jagat yathavat bheda buddhya jagrati pashyati. So, in the waking state, he sees this jagat yathavat bheda buddhya, with the notion of duality. How? Yathavat in the sense, as the satyam. As satyam he sees. Therefore, because of bheda darshana guna, they are similar to the prasiddha jagrat. That is how it is. See, because of the bheda darshana guna, that is the dual. See, a common man in the waking state, what does he see? The dualistic world. For that reason, this person see that, therefore it is called Jagaranam. In the sense, it also Jagrat called because Vyavaharika Sattaya Jagadbhana Samyat Jagrat. One reason is, in these three, the Bheda Darshana Guna is similar to Prasiddha Jagrat waking state. Other way of looking at it, Vyavaharika Sattaya, on account of the empirical existence, Jagadbhana Samya. So therefore, for Jagadbhana is there as a something which is really existing, therefore they are called as the Jagrat. So therefore, idam yathavat bheda buddhya jagat jagrati drishyate. The Chaturthi Bhumika Sattvapatti, we have seen that author is explaining that. Tato. The fourth one is Sattvapatti, like this. Tataha, therefore. Vedanta Vakyat Nirvikalpakaha. Earlier these people, who are those? These stages are in the Jagrat. Thereafter, now here Tataha is not therefore, thereafter, Vedanta Vakyat, because of Mahavakya, Nirvikalpakaha, Bheda Rahitaha. Nirvikalpakaha means Bheda Rahita, free from Bhedas. Brahmatmaika Sakshatkaraha, wherein there is a direct cognition, Sakshatkara, of Brahma and Atma as identical. Sakshatkaraha, that is Chaturthi Bhumika, fourth state, and it is Phalarupa. Phalarupa means Samadhi Paripaka Phala. Phalarupa means Samadhi Paripaka Phala, which has fructified in terms of Samadhi. May not be intense as the other three, but he has got the Samadhi, that Atma, Sakshatkara is there. That the fourth one is, that means the distinction between the fourth and the earlier three is being drawn now.
आरोपितयोगो जगच्छब्दाभिधेययोगो नामरूपयोगो मिथ्यात्वम् अवगच्छति।
Continue. Mumuksho.
मुमुक्षोः पूर्वोक्तं जागरणम् अपेक्ष्य सा इयं भूमिः स्वप्नः।
So this is called Swapna. Earlier three are called Jagarana. Why? What is the case here? Chaturtha Bhumau, in the fourth stage, Sarva Jagadupadanasya Brahmanaha, of Brahma, which is the Upadana Karana, material cause, Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karana for entire Jagat. Vastavam, real nature, what is that? Namely, Advitiya Satta Swabhavam Nishchitya. Having ascertained the real nature of Brahma, which is the basis for entire Jagat, and nature is being what? Advitiya Satta. It is a non-dual existence. Nishchitya, having ascertained that, and again, along with that, having ascertained the mithyatva of entire Adhyaropita Jagat. So that is told, Brahmani Adhyaropitayoho Jagat Shabdabhidheyayoho. So that is, whatever that is Brahmani is Adhyaropita. So Brahmani Adhyaropitayoho, whatever that is superimposed on Brahma, what is that? Jagat Shabdabhidheyayoho. So Jagat Shabda and its Abhidheya, two are there. Of these two, what are those? Jagat Shabda, the word Jagat. But when you say Jagat, there is a content for Jagat. That is something, that is it denotes something, that is Abhidheya. Jagat Shabda is Abhidhana, word, and whatever that is connoted by the word Jagat. Of these, what are those? Nama Rupa Yoga. What the word Jagat spell for, or stand for? Nama Rupa Jagat. Of these, Mithyatvam Avagacchati. He knows, discovers the Mithyatva. Means Brahmatma Aikya, directly ascertained, cognized. At the same time, Mithyatva Jagat also is cognized. So therefore, Mumukshoho Purvokta Jagarana Pekshaya Iyam. In the case of Mumukshu, with respect to the first three called as Apekshaya, with respect to the first three called as Jagarana, Iyam Bhumihi. This Bhumi is what? Swapna. Why Swapna? Mithyatva of Jagat is cognized. There the person takes it as the real, therefore Jagarana. Tadaha, to this effect, we find Vasishta telling in Yoga Vasishta about this Swapnatva of Chaturtha Bhumika. They see the Jagat as what? As the Swapna, in the sense with Pratibhasika Satta, with subjective reality like the Swapna. That is, Pratibhasaka Sattaya Jagat Bhana Samya. In dream Jagat is cognized. How? With subjective reality. Means, what do you mean subjective reality? That reality is only for the dreamer, it doesn't exist for him. Means its falsehood is exposed. So here, it means it has no Vyavaharika Satta. Dream has no Vyavaharika Satta. Otherwise, yesterday night you got $20 million check and you deposited also back. When you wake up, you are only earlier pauper. Not, you are not pauper, okay, but you are what you were, you were as such. So why? It has no Vyavaharika Satta, it is only Pratibhasika. Pratibhasika Sattaya Jagadbhana Samya. So that is Jagat appears in terms of subjective reality like the dream. Therefore, that is called as the Swapna compared to the earlier. Now the fifth Bhumika.
चित्तं तुषरत्नांश इलयं प्रविलीयते सत्तावशेष एवास्ते चतुर्थीं भूमिकामितः.
Now, what is in your book? Which book it is? Ramakrishna Mission. You are the Ramakrishna, no? Ah, yes, I had made it, no? No, to correct it. Yes, I only have corrected it. Make it, correct it. It is Panchami only. Huh? Printi Chaturthi and they say Panchami. What is the print in the Ramakrishna Mission book? Who has got Panchami? Come on, raise the hands. Ah, edition is, it is corrected. Earlier edition is Chaturthi. Yeah. Huh? See, Chaturthi edition is earlier, Panchami edition is later, and they have corrected it. It is Panchami. Okay. There is no doubt it is Panchami. You have to correct this also. See, look here. Don't discuss. It is Panchami. You correct it. So there is no room for discussion because I am telling you it is Panchami. I have verified from Moola Yoga Vasishta. So even Ananda Ashram, Chaturthi is mistake. I gave him that way, that is there. And in the book also is what there. So therefore they have great thing they have done. Generally they put on offset and same mistakes continue. But this time they have corrected it. That's very good. So therefore it is Panchami, there is no doubt about it. It is the fifth stage, that's all. You can, when anywhere where Chaturthi is there, correct as Panchami, that's all. Fifth, no? No, that's it. Fine. Anyway, if Chaturthi is there, no discussion. If Chaturthi is there, correct as Panchami, that's all. It is fifth, okay? That also, fourth also correct as fifth, bas. It is the fifth stage. Okay, no discussion. No, stop. Now, this is the one which is the Panchami. What is the Panchami? Asansakti. Asansakti Nama. What is it? You say, Vichinna Sharadabhransha Vilayam Praviliyate. There you make it this way. Vichinna Sharadabhransha Vilayam, add Iva. Huh? Huh? Alternative, correct. That is the better one. Chittam tu Sharadabhransha Vilayam, add it Sharadabhransha Vilayam, add Iva Praviliyate. Chittam tu. In fact, I have put it here as Adhyahara. Chittam tu has to be there. The Antakarana. Chitta, what happens? Sharadabhransha Vilayam Iva. Like the destruction of a cloudlet in the autumn season. Sharadabhransha. Not abhra, not cloud. Ansha means a cloudlet. A small portion of this. What happens? It just it disappears. So now, if Vichinna is there, that is that a piece of cloud, a cloudlet, which has got separated from the mass of clouds. That's all. But Chittam tu Vilayam Iva, what happens? How it gets totally lost and destroyed, extinct. So, here in this fifth case, Chittam tu Praviliyate. Whereas what is there? Sattavasheshaha eva asti. See, it is like this, that Chittam tu Saradabhransha Vilayam Pravilyate. It is like this. See, in Sushupti, so it is called also Sushupti. In Sushupti, what is there? Sarva Vilaya is well known or not? Entire Jagat is extinct or not? Temporarily. Is there? So in Panchami Bhumika, Pratibhasika Triputi Parishesha also gets terminated. In earlier four, Swapna was there, Triputis are, to some Pratibhasika, Triputi was there. Here, in fifth Bhumika called Sushupti, this fifth also is called Sushupti. Why? In this, the Pratibhasika Triputi also gets terminated, therefore fifth Bhumika is called Sushupti secondarily. It is just like this. When the Sharadabhransha Vilaya takes place, small piece of, whatever a small piece of cloud that was there in the autumn sky, when it gets destroyed, what remains? Sky, is it not? Likewise, whatever little trace of Triputi was there, that also got destroyed. What remains? Only Chaitanya, Swarupa, Atma, Brahma only remains. The Shuddha Chinmatra Parishesha Lakshanam Swabhavam. What remains is Shuddha Chinmatra Parishesha. That alone remains. So that is Sattavashesha. What remains is, so that is Sattavashesha eva aste. That is, it can be taken as this. Satta is Chit Satta. Little avashesha, residue only is there, because totally it is not gone. It can't go also except in Videha Mukti. That only is there. Or you can take Satta avashesha means Shuddha Chinmatra Parishesha Lakshana Satta Swabhava, that Atma alone remains. So that is the Panchami Itaha, Panchami Bhumikam Itaha. Those who have got this, they have gained Panchami Bhumi. Alternative is Panchami Bhumikam Gataha. They have attained the fifth state. So now, we have seen that fourth state wala kaun hai? Brahmavid. Author himself is telling now. Saha ayam, the one who has got Chaturthi Bhumikam Praptaha, the one who has got the fourth state, what is it? Satta, Sattvapatti, Prapta Yogi, that Jnani is called as what? Brahmavid iti uchyate. He is called as Brahmavid. Means earlier three, not Brahmavid. Then, from Panchamyadayaha Tisraha Bhumayaha. The subsequent three Bhumikas, what are those? Panchami, Adi for sixth and seventh, they are Bhumayaha. Jivan Muktehe Avantara Bhedaha. They are secondary classifications of Jivan Mukti. You know what it means? This fourth one is not a Jivan Mukta. Fourth one is Jnani, but not a Jivan Mukta. Videha Mukti is guaranteed. But fifth, sixth, and seventh are Jivan Mukta. But Avantara Bheda, secondary division, this Bheda is there, distinction is there, Bheda distinction is there because of varying degree of intensity of the Samadhi. Techa. Techa. What is the Techa? Avantara Bhedaha. Those secondary distinction between these three stages, and secondary distinction in terms of what? Jivan Mukti. Jivan Mukti. Techa Avantara Bhedaha. How are they arriving? How are they gained? How they come about? Nirvikalpa Samadhyabhyasa Balena, on account of the practice of the Nirvikalpa Samadhi, Vishranti Taratamena, because of the varying degree, Taratamya, varying degree of Chitta Vishranti means absorption of the mind in the Atma Swarupa. Because of that, these Avantara Bheda of Jivan Mukti are gained. Sampadyanti means are available. So what is that now? Let us see. Avantara Bheda between 5th, 6th and 7th in terms of Jivan Mukti he describes. Panchama Bhumau, in the 5th Bhumi, which is Asamsakti, called Asamsakti, Nirvikalpakat. Nirvikalpakat means from Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Tada. So then what happens when having got this Samadhi? Swayameva Vyuttishtati. Gets up means comes out of Nirvikalpa Samadhi on one's own on account of Raga, Dvesha, etc. Samskara means not woken up by others. Saha ayam yogi Brahma Vidvaraha. This 5th one is called as Brahma Vidvaraha. 6th one. In the case of 6th Bhumi, Padartha Bhavini, in the case of that, the one who has accomplished, he says, Parshvasta Bodhitaha, when awakened by nearby people, Vittishtati, comes out of the Samadhi. Sahayam, such a jnani yogi is Brahmavid Variya. Brahmavid Variya. Continuing. First 3 are Jagarana. And the 4th one is Swapna. Now the 5th and fifth one is Swapna. Fourth is Swapna. Then this is that. Tadetad bhumidvayam sushupti gada sushupti iti ubita. Yes. Bhumidvayam. Which are those two? 5th and 6th. 5th is sushupti and 6th is gada sushupti. Deep sleep. One is sleep. Why? Because that fellow gets up on his own. And if one is in deep sleep, you have to shake him. And you have to first call him. If he doesn't wake up, you have to shake him. Still he doesn't wake up, pour a bucket of water. So then he will wake up. So therefore Gada Sushupti. So Tadetat Bhumidvayam means these 5th and 6th, it says Sushuptihi, Gada Sushuptihi iti cha abhidiyate. It is called as, 5th is called as Sushupti, sleep, and other one, 6th is called deep sleep. To this effect, it is said in the Yoga Vashishta, Panchamim Bhumikam Etya, having acquired, having accomplished the 5th stage, which is called as Sushupti Padanamikam. So, which is also called as Sushupta, means Sushupta is a Gauna name, a secondary name. Otherwise, we will mistake it for sleep. Oh, don't worry, we are where? 5th stage. 5th stage of Jnana Bhumi, because we always go into sleep. So that is not that way. And in what context Sushupti, Jagarana, Swapna, Sushupti said, that should be very clear. So therefore it is Sushupti Padanamika, and it is Shanta Shesha Visheshanshaha Tishtati. It remains Shanta Ashesha Visheshansha. Means, what is the Visheshansha? The features of Jagat that is Dvaita, and which is Ashesha Shanta, totally ceased to be there, totally got extinguished, totally stopped. Why? It remains in Advaita Matraki, because it abides only in the Advaita Swarupa Brahma. Shanta Ashesha Visheshansha. Visheshanshaha Tishtati Advaita Matrake. He remains in Advaita Swarupa, totally wherein the Dvaita Jagat, the features of Dvaita Jagat means Dvaita is totally extinct. Continuing. So this one who is in the Panchami Bhumika is now described like this. Antarmukhataya Bahirvritti Paraha api san. Even if he is extrovert. Extrovert means by prarabdha vashat he has come out of the samadhi and he is dealing with the world. Dealing means what? Bare minimum things for the sustenance of the body, etc. Bahirvritti paraha api san. Even if, whenever, not always, whenever he is, that is, doing some action, he is external, extrovert. Whenever he is extrovert for do something, etc. He says, Nityam antarmukhataya. Always he is indrawn, introvert, because his chitta is absorbed where? In the Brahma only, in the Brahma only. And how he looks, he says, Nityam always, Parisha, say there is alternative is there. In your book, Parishantataya is there. Actually, that is means totally calm and composed. Here, in this, there is a Parishrantataya is there. Parishranta, na? Parishranta. Parishranta. There is also alternative in Mula, Parishanta also is there. But in our, if it is Parishranta, as if tired. And how? As if Nidraluhu iva, as if sleepy. For external vyavahara, because his mind is not totally preoccupied in the external vyavahara. So he is always in that sushupti. So, but prarabdhavashad he has come out. So at that time, as though tired, as though he is sleepy, means fully not engaged in the external world. So now, Gada Sushupti means sixth state. How the further description about it. Please. Kurvan abhyasam etasyam bhumikayam. Having taken to, that is, intense practice in which state? Fifth state. Now it is. See, by intense practice of fifth and earlier all five, he gets the sixth lesson. Fifth stage means all earlier four also are there. So therefore it progress further. Etasyam means in the fifth along with the earlier one. Abhyasam kurvan, taking to practice. Etasyam bhumikayam, in the fifth stage, having taken to repeated intense practice. Vivasanaha means free from all vasana. That is, the one who is totally free from which vasanas? Utthana vasana. Vivasanaha, it should be taken this way. Atyanta uchinnaha, Atyanta uchinna swataha utthana vasanaha san. Atyanta uchinna, which vasanas? स्वतः उत्थान वासना. Because earlier, fifth wala kya karta hai? He comes out because of utthana vasanas on its own. But in this case, those utthana vasanas which brings the yogi out of that samadhi are totally vichinna, atyanta uchinna, totally destroyed. So therefore, vasanas which on their own make him come out of the samadhi are totally destroyed. So because of intense practice of fifth stage, vivasanaha, that person, shashtim gada sushuptakhyam bhumikam kramat patati. So kramat, so in the course of time, he says, in course of time, shashtim gada sushuptakhyam, the sixth bhumika, which is called as gada sushupti, he patati, bhumikam patati means he accomplishes. How? Kramat, in course of time, gradually he acquires that gada sushupti. At some places, this sixth is called as Turiya, but not Turiyaga. Huh? It's called as Turiya. It's called Turiya. At some places, in the place of Turiyaga, Turiya also is there. So it makes no difference. But we know this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is that. 1, 2, 3, 4 from where? From. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, no. Yes, Brahmavit onwards. Brahmavit, Brahmavidvara, Brahmavidvariyan. This person is, sixth wala is Brahmavidvariyan. In this, why this is called Turiya is like this. Earlier was called as Sushupti. In the counting, Jagarana, Swapna, Sushupti. What is the role? What is the number of Sushupti? Third. Jagarana 1, Swapna 2, Sushupti 3, and this is Gada Sushupti 4th. But that one is Turiyaga. This is all because in this Yoga Vasishtha these names appear because I am telling because otherwise if you don't sort them out you will get confused afterwards. So which is what, etc. Why it is called at places Turiya? Earlier Sushupti is third, this is the fourth. And why it is called seventh is called Turiyaga? Brahmavid, Brahmavid Varaha, Brahmavid Variyan, Brahmavid Varishta. That is from the fourth from the Brahmavid standpoint. Whereas it four here, if at all it is said, it is from the earlier was called Sushupti, the third, this is the fourth. You should know. If that much is known, no problem. Otherwise, you have to go on scratching your head. It is not easy to solve because somebody must be there who will adapt in it. So this slight variation of names, but we should know what is what. For sixth, further described. Yatra means in this Shashti stage, fifth stage called Gada Sushupti, na asat, na sadrupaha. There is no Murta Rupa, there is no Amurta Rupa. There is no form, nor there is any formless. Because formless is with respect to form. Amurta. Naham napi anahankritihi. Neither there is ahankara, nor there is absence of ahankara. What do you mean by absence of ahankara is not there? Means body was there, earlier ahankara was there, now anahankara is not there, means little residual memory or samskara of what is there. Ahankara is there, that also is not there at all. क्षीणमननः केवल क्षीणमननः द्वैतैकनिर्गतः. The one who is क्षीणमननः, the one who has accomplished the manonasha, who has got, of course, it is sarupa manonasha because Jivan Mukti state, Kshīnamana, one who has accomplished the manonasha, and one from whom Dvaita Aikya Nirgataha. Both have gone, means free from both. What is that Dvaita? Aikya stands for Advaita. One who is free from both Dvaita and Advaita. How? Free from Dvaita, understandable. How do you say free from Advaita, Aikya? Eka is the one which excludes the other thing. Means others you are accepting. There is no other. Cognition of other is not there. Therefore, Advaita word also doesn't apply. Otherwise, presently, because we are aware of Dvaita, therefore Advaita word becomes the meaningful. Here, cognition of Dvaita is not there. Therefore, Advaita also, this word is superfluous. Free from Dvaitaika Nirgataha. Kevalam Aste. What it means is Kevalam, in his own Swarupa, he is there. In his own Swarupa, he is there. Kevalam Aste. What is that Kevalam Aste is further described, and that stanza, two stanzas are there. Well, we have heard these stanzas, but they are not in your text, but they are given in the footnote, whereas the explanation of that is there. Advaitam kechid icchanti.
Advaitam kechid icchanti, dvaitam icchanti kechana, samam brahmana jananti, dvaita dvaita vivarjitam.
Kechid advaitam icchanti. Some people desire what? Advaita. So this Dvaita Rupa Jagat is too much. I must get what? Advaita Brahma. Kechit, some others, Dvaitam icchanti. What Brahma? Khavo pivo maja karo bas. So Dvaita Rupa Jagat only they desire for. But ayyo, samam Brahmana jananti. People don't care to know samam Brahma. Brahma means Brahma and Brahma. Where is your Dvaita and Advaita? What is there only? Brahma. When the Jagat is there, you say Dvaita, and from that standpoint you want to have the Advaita. But what is there only? Samam Brahma. The one which is one and the same without any vikara. Brahma na jananti. And what is that Brahma? Dvaita Dvaita Vivarjitam. Dvaita Dvaita Vivarjitam. Samam Brahma. Brahma, Sama Brahma, the one and the same, Nirvikari, free from both Dvaita and Advaita. Na jananti, they don't know. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayan.